Hey, this is a CRV TrailSport. What do you think of that? Any protection there? So that's plastic gas tank. Rear diff is exposed. Got all this carpet here. And then the hybrid system is a wire that runs over there. I'll show you that next. That's interesting, that cross member. And then if you look here, there's the battery cable, so it's kind of protected, but I don't know what's underneath this. That is orange. That's the, I gotta say that's the main power cable, because that's the same color as this. And it comes back in there. You can't take this off road. And this is, it's like all carpet underneath here. And that's your clearance. Oh man, that's cool. That's old school right there.